Hi guys, do you know a 3D artist can make a really good passive income by selling 3D models in different marketplaces? I have personally made around $2,000 in just few years by selling only 3D models. And today I'm going to tell you how you can also make a passive income even when you are on sleep. I'll be sharing the top 5 marketplaces to target in 2025 to sell your 3D models and start earning. Let's jump right in. Now let's start with the number 5. It's ArtStation. So ArtStation is very famous for its portfolio, but it is also a huge marketplace where you can sell your 3D models. ArtStation is filled with very talented artists and audience, which makes the marketplace really exciting to sell your 3D model. Now, to create an account in ArtStation, you need to create an account in Epic Games first, and only then you can sell your 3D models in ArtStation. The pros in selling in ArtStation is there's a huge built-in audience and artists so that you can get your 3D models exposure, but the con is you required a Epic Game account to sell your 3D models. Number 4, Sketchfab. Sketchfab is a very amazing platform to sell your 3D models. The reason why Sketchfab is really famous because it has a very unique way to see your 3D models in 360 view. Now it's very easy to create an account in Sketchfab. You just need to sign up with your Google account and fill some information, and that's it, your account will be created. Now drop some of your best 3D models in Sketchfab and see how the sales go. Number 3, TurboSquid. Now TurboSquid don't need any introduction. It is a very old and the largest marketplace. TurboSquid has really high quality 3D models which used in games, animation, AR, VR. Also, it has 3D models for 3D printing. The pros of TurboSquid is it has a huge marketplace for selling your 3D models. It is really trusted and ranked in Google. Now, the cons are it has a very high commission fees and it is very competitive market. Number 2, Cults 3D. Now, this is one of my most favorite platform to sell 3D models. If you know how to do 3D printing models, this is one of the best platform to sell your 3D models. It only takes 1 to 2 minutes to create an account in Cults 3D. Just put your information and a logo and a username, and that's it. Your account is ready to go. If you know how to create 3D models for 3D printing, this is the perfect account to earn a really good passive income. One of the most favorite pros are it has a very low commission rate, but the cons are the marketplace is a bit smaller than the other platforms. And now comes the number 1 big daddy among all, it's CGTraders. So CGTrader is one of the most top rated platform for selling your 3D files. It is a huge marketplace which allows every kind of 3D models just like TurboSquid. It's really easy to create an account in CGTraders. You just need to sign in using your Google account, and you need to just play around with some settings, add your avatar and add your payment method, and that's it. The account is ready to go, and you should upload a lot of 3D models with CGTrader account. Now in CGTrader, it's all about the quality game. The more quality models you upload in this platform, the better the sales would be. The pros are it is a huge market and it has high demand of 3D models. It has really nice royalty fees than the other platforms. It has flexible pricing and license options. I didn't found any cons for this website yet. So there you are. These are the top 5 websites to sell your 3D models in 2025. And let me know in the comments down below which platform you use to sell your 3D models. Also, if you're serious about selling 3D printable files, I have a full course on Cults 3D on how you can sell your 3D models in Cults 3D platform using ZBrush. So do check out the description for more information. Alright guys, so if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next one.